We have a store that sells everyday items for you to preserve memories with your pet. The link of the store is clearly stated under the description of the video. Wish you have a pleasant shopping time. Goodbye and see you again.
Hey, you have your own bed. Remember how nice it is? Don't you want to sleep in that one? Then I will. Okay. Shut the f*** up. Shut the f*** up. Why are you so loud?
Give her a kiss, Kara.
You're crazy.
Kara, she's telling you to put her down.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No petting, no petting. Get your petty paws away from me.
Oh my god, who walks like that?
I made a friend on my way to work.
Hi! It's so nice to meet you. Hi! Why do you walk like that? Who taught you? You're really cute.
My hamster tries broccoli for the first time. Let's give it to him. Oh look, he's going straight for it. He was sitting eating the broccoli nice until he grabbed the full piece and shoved it in his mouth. He is still eating even though his cheeks are full.
Do it again. Oh my god.
Thank you for calling Ren's Pets on Rymel. How may I help you? Pardon me? No, I'm sorry. We don't. No, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Where's this fidget spinner? What will she do?
Tell me you are a cat person without actually telling me you're a cat person.
Bless you. Oh, bless you. Oh, are you okay? You allergic to you? Elio?
정말 코로나 봐봐.
Let it go.
Does anyone else's dog do this? Bark at your dog and see what they do.